Ilcoin mobile wallet. To restore your wallet, press Recover Wallet. You will now type in a label for the wallet. The label does not have to be the same as before the wallet was lost. Now type in the password the wallet previously had before the wallet was lost. Lastly, type in the recovery phrase for the wallet you need to restore. Once finished, press Recover Wallet. To recover a second wallet, you may either restart the program and, from the password screen, choose to recover a wallet, or you may do so from within a wallet by selecting the Options menu from the top right corner of the screen, and then selecting Create Recover Wallet from the list. Congratulations! You have successfully restored your Ilcoin wallet. Thank you for watching our short tutorial. We hope you found this information useful. Be sure to watch our other tutorials.